Welcome to All Around Gaming TV, and we have a special episode of unboxing of Lego's Dimensions. And I'm going to be recording myself unboxing these and constructing each one of them, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay guys? Hey guys, we're starting with unboxing of the base pack of Dimensions. It comes with Batman, the Gandalf, and I forgot her name from the Lego movie. Okay, I'm gonna open this in a second. Just give me a second. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, it comes with another box inside. Another box. And here's another case. So let's see. Put this box to the side. Let's see what's in here. I'm assuming it comes with the game. Oh, of course it comes with the game. Let's see. Okay. So it comes with the game. And it comes with paper of all the collections that you're gonna check mark and collect. Yeah, I'll show you that later, if anything. I think this is the base that it comes with. And here's the base. This is a little base for the Lego, where you scan all the figurines in. This is cool. I'm assuming you put some figurines here. It's cool. It's made out of plastic. Has a cool cable with it. Really decent long cable. That's cool. So here we got the pieces. We got the instruction manual. A bag number 2. Bigger Lego pieces, stickers, another bag, nothing else in this box.
Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. don't stop. Don't stop. Don't. Don't stop. Stop. Don't stop.
Wow, this is awesome, guys. This is awesome. Look at that. Got little flaps here. Cool. Can't wait to start this up. This is awesome. Hey guys, I finished the Lego pieces, but as you see, I only could build the whole gang, like just the characters. Here's Shell, Scooby, Marty, and Shaggy. The other pieces, as you see, on this mess. In the instruction manual, they don't show how to build the vehicles. I'm assuming, like I heard before, that you need to do it in game. So later, I'm gonna do an in-game one, and hope you guys liked this video. Have a nice day, guys.
That's hot.
Whoa, what the hell is happening?
Oh my god. Hi, welcome to All Around Gaming TV.
What the hell is like? My name is Emily. Like, what the hell? I hate it when a game happens like that. Okay, based on the feature, he's intelligent. Mike's actually angry, resourceful, persuasive. Okay. Oh wow, I fixed it. Okay. Here's Matt. No boyfriend. Kind of motivated, ambitious, active. I wonder. He looks like a